Good day, I'm Steve Amos and I'm currently making this video in respect of week 1's assignment, which we're told to make a video and it should not be more than 5 to 8 minutes, which is week 1, and I'm doing the number 3, which is video link. Okay, so without wasting more time, I'll start the video and I'll post it on my YouTube, which I will share as part of the assignment. I'm going to explain starting from my GitHub, my Visual Studio Code. Okay, this is the code and this is my first week assignment. First of all, I started with creating my readme file, and then I went on to create my package.json file. That is by opening my terminal, new terminal, and I did npm I, and I created my JSON file. And after creating that, I didn't just end there. I had to, that brought up the node modules, which are all the different modules. This was 3k plus, and I had to hide this file because it's not to be seen in the GitHub page. So I had to create a file called gitignore, and gitignore, I added my node models file there, which ignored every single file that is on this list. About 3,000 plus code were all ignored, and also I ignored by my .env file, which is this file, because this should not be seen by render. Okay, with that done, I had to create my route file. I created my data file and created my route file and also my control file, which were all needed also. And all these files were created and they were all pushed to my GitHub page. Yeah. Okay. So going to my GitHub page. Yes, this is my GitHub. Okay, so all the files have been pushed here successfully and they are all running. And to confirm that from my Visual Studio Code, the local area, if I'm to run this from this area, which is node server.js, and I run it, it's going to listing, and I'm to open it on my local page. Local, this is 3000. You can see the hello world. What prompted this hello world is it's not yes from my I think that should be from yes from my index hello world. You can see that it's routed here and it got the request, and it also sent hello world. That shows that it's working perfectly well. Okay, now to test my contacts, you can see that my contacts are here, and these are the contacts. Okay, if I go to my Visual Studio Code to explain that, I had to create my contacts.js file, which is this, and also my there are two of these, yes, and also my controller, that is the contacts also here. And not just this, I had to paste my the document. I just kept it here for official purpose, and also the documents were meant to be my like my coursemate name. So if you notice, the names are similar here. This is Chandler Canmofil. This is Michael Moracus. I can see the name here also Michael Moracus. So these were all done by me, and I had to go to my Mongodb, which I created also. This is the Mongodb, and I had to paste the code. Let me check my time so I won't go more than the time. Okay, because I just have limited time left. So I had to paste my code here by doing insert document, and then I paste the code by clicking this and adding the code, then I pasted it, and then I click on insert. So with that being done, I had my code here, and then I had to link my link it up. So I had to go here and then make here 0.0.0.0.0/0, that by editing it and doing that. Then after that was done, that was linked successfully to my Visual Studio Code by me coming here, and I linked that for my .env file, which is this file. I linked that here, and I added my password and also added the project so that this can be seen. Now with this being done, I had to create my render account, which is this, and then with creating this account, I created my this render account project 1. Once that was created, I added my environment key, which is you can see it's my Mongo key and my Mongo URL. And with that, I was able to upload my file linking to my GitHub page. This is my project linked to my GitHub page. You can see it's live. So if I click this, showing that it's live, my internet is working, and I'm sure it's not going to fail me. Gosh, network is a bit bad now, but this is it. It was open. Let me pause the video and check my network. So yes, I was correct. It was actually network, and if you see, the page is actually up. This is how it is according to the class, and this is it here, and this equally it. I can still play the page. You can still see that this is it. Okay, with that being shown, I think that is all. I'm not missing anything else. Just consider it should also show there. And okay, also we're told that our nodes file should not be here. You can see that it's the git ignored and it's not showing here. It's all good. So I think that is all. Thank you. If there's anything else, you can let me know to create variable. I hope this gives me a full 100% mark. Thanks a lot. I'll end the video on this note.